of Southern Leyte. Let's give them a big round of applause. In partnership with the government of the province of Southern Leyte. Let's give them a big round of applause as well. And this 2025 with the local government unit of Malimpog. Let's give them another round of applause. And of course, let's give ourselves a big round of applause for being part of this momentous occasion. Thank you so much. And yes, a while ago, we also had our parade and our peace walk while we were starting the first day of our event. The Peace Walk is the initiative of the Schools Division of Southern Leyte to raise awareness on how our division leads activities like this to help our learners